Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler with black and silver accents, which really adds a nice pop to the coloring. We do get blind spot detection. We got remote start with this vehicle and a block heater, and moving to the front we got that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a nice power tailgate or liftgate, which you can open with the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, 12-volt outlet. We can collapse this last row for additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do is hit that button and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable seats, floor mats with a carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 71,106 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, storage with some outlets. You even get a 12-volt down there. Got your center console with even more storage. We have dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, storage in the glove compartment, media controls with your hazards just right there. And look in here, we have our audio, compass, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. And your features of the vehicle. And shifting into reverse, you do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8071, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.